Hello, friends. This is Chef Pinto here. Hope you all are doing good. I'm here because most of my friends have asked recipes. They wanted a recipe, so I thought of making these videos. Please do like and subscribe if you like this channel, and also share with your friends and family. As today we are going to make malai chicken tikka as most of our famous and popular dish, and you will see how easy it is where you can make it back at home, where ingredients all the ingredients you can get it outside in the market very easily. So follow all the steps and see the texture how it comes out. So दोस्तों आओ शुरू करते हैं, देखते हैं हाउ टू मेक मलाई चिकन टिक्का। चलो शुरू करते हैं आज बनाने के लिए चिकन मलाई टिक्का। इसके लिए हमें चाहिए 500 grams of boneless chicken, which is thigh and breast mixed together, cut in small cubes. ऐड करेंगे जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट, which is 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. White pepper powder to taste. One teaspoon of oil. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. One teaspoon of lemon juice. Some dhania, chopped dhania, and chopped 2 green chilies. Guys, एक कसूरी मेथी है जो ऑप्शनल है. I use it because it gives a very good flavor. Slightly roasted and then crusted. If you want to use, you can use it. Otherwise, if you don't like it, don't use it. It's an optional. Also, turmeric powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, just to give the color. Main ingredient is the cream cheese. Check my next video, which I have shown how to make the cream cheese at home. Market में भी मिलता है very easily. Try and make it at home. 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. And yogurt, which is 2 tablespoons of yogurt. So ये आपका ingredients बनाने के लिए मलाई chicken tikka. Now we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. Nicely, evenly, and then set aside so it get marinated well. ये अभी अच्छे से मिक्स हो गया. इसको हम अभी फ्रिज में रख देते हैं 2 घंटे के लिए कवर करके. तो ये अभी अच्छे से मैरिनेट हो गया. जस्ट रिमूव इट फ्रॉम द फ्रिज. अभी इसको स्क्यूअर कर देते हैं नाइसली. अभी सील करने के लिए पैन रख दिया है. ऑयल डालेंगे. लेट मी मेक इट नाइस हॉट. देन वी गोना ऐड skewers and stir it nicely. ये अभी रेडी है वन साइड. अभी टर्न करने के लिए नाइस ब्राउन कलर. ये देखिए अभी ये नाइस रेडी है, गोल्डन ब्राउन कलर. अभी इसको निकाल के पैन में रख देते हैं और हमारा अवन अभी सेट है. ये अभी जाएगा स्ट्रेट oven में. Oven I have set it for 180 degree Fahrenheit, and we'll put this in the oven for 12 minutes. और जिसके पास भी oven नहीं है, no problem, we can still manage it. You can cook it here only on a very slow range and longer period of time. It can get it nicely done. See, after 12 minutes from 180 degree Fahrenheit, the chicken is already done, and we are going to remove it now. So this is chicken is already ready removed from the oven. Now we're going to apply some melted butter on top with little bit of lemon juice to give the sourness. Sprinkle with some chopped dhania. You can also use lemon wedge when you garnish the plate on the table. So as you see the chicken removed from the skewers, and see how soft it is. And when you eat it, it's like a मक्खन की तरह मुंह में मेल्ट होता है. So दोस्तों, आपने देखा कि as you have seen the texture, how it came out, it really works. Follow each and every steps. आप घर पे बनाओ ये रेसिपी, and आप घर वाले को ये सब खिला सकते हैं. Can try making out at home. And also I've used a pinch of haldi powder in that, just to give a yellowish color. If you want safed color, white color, then you do not use turmeric powder in that. So friends, do like and subscribe my video, and share it with all your friends and families, and stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless you all. Thank you very much.